Hi Shashwat,
Hello, sir.
congratulations. Congratulations on getting AAR 13.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
So that's a great achievement actually. Hmm. So did you share this with your parents?
Yes, sir. Obviously,
Okay, so how happy are they?
very happy about it. Yes, sir. They are very happy about it. Actually, sir, I have prepared for GATE by leaving my job, so they are actually quite relieved that I got a good rank in GATE.
So you have reached it.
Yes, sir.
So when did you pass out from BTech?
So in 2018, I did my graduation from NIT Jamshedpur. My branch was electrical engineering.
And when did you do the, when did you join the job?
Just after college, sir. In June 2018, I guess.
Okay, and when did you leave it?
Last year, April.
Okay, so last year, April, you left it, and roughly you have prepared for, I think, 8, 9 months,
10, I guess, sir. 9 or 10 months.
9 or 10 months. Okay, fine. So which means, okay. So that is full-time preparation.
Full-time preparation. Yes, sir.
So what was the job you are doing? Which company? So if
So
I
I
may,
was in
what is it?
Tata Steel, sir, in Jamshedpur.
Acha, Tata Steel. Okay.
Tata Steel. Yes,
Are you
sir.
from computer science background?
No, sir, electrical engineering. Triple E.
Okay. So you are from electrical engineering and you have got AR 13 in GATE computer science. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
That's really amazing. Okay, so you had to learn everything from basics, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So how many hours did you used to watch the videos every day when you started preparation?
Sir, in the initial phase, I think I spent around 8 to 9 hours every day in the
Every
videos.
day you have watched 8 to 9 hours of spent that much time on videos.
Yes, sir, because I was doing full-time preparation, so I was able to manage that much amount of time for the videos.
So your parents were okay for you to leave the job and prepare for GATE? Were they didn't they say
So
anything?
initially, they were quite reluctant about it. They were not very sure that will it be a good decision to do so. But ultimately, I convinced them that okay, I will prepare well and I will get a good rank. So finally, they agreed about it.
Great. So anyway, that was a risk worth taking, right? So if you are leaving 1 year of job is not actually risky because anyway you will find a similar job later also. But in case if you can crack GATE, your life is going to change, right?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So how did you make the notes? Did you make a very detailed notes or did you make a short crispy notes?
Sir, I actually made detailed notes by watching your videos, and after doing 1 or 2 round of revision, I highlighted those points that are more important. I do not prepare a separate short notes for each chapters, but I highlighted those points that are more important in the complete note. So in the last 1 or 2 months, I revised only those highlighted points more as compared to the entire full notes.
Got it. So where do you want to do your masters? IIT Bombay or IISc, or have you not decided?
And I'm planning to go for IIT Bombay because I have heard that the curriculum in IISc Bangalore is quite tough as compared to IIT Bombay. So you do not get time to do anything else. So that's why I'm planning to go for IIT Bombay.
So you are right. If you want to have an easy life and if you don't want to work too hard, but if you want a very good job, right, then you should go for IIT Bombay. And if you want to actually work hard, like how you prepared for GATE for 2 more years, and if you want to see what research is, then go for IISc, right? Apart from
Yes,
that,
sir.
there are also differences in the courses that are being offered and the way that they are being dealt. For example, if you take IISc, in every course, they are going to discuss mainly about research papers, right? So most of the courses, almost in all the courses, either from the beginning or in the middle, they will take only research papers and they will discuss those papers. And you are supposed to actually work on those papers. Even the assignments they give you are actually of that level, right? Now, if you look at IIT, they generally give you assignments which are simple implementations, right? So I'll tell you what are the assignments that are given in IIT Bombay and what are the assignments that are given in IISc. Then you can choose. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll make these videos like what is being taught at IIT Bombay and how is it useful at industry. and what is being taught at IISc and how is it useful for research, right? And then you can choose whether you want to work hard or you don't want to work hard. See, it is not like you don't have to work at all at IIT Bombay. You have to work, yeah, but life is hectic at IISc compared to IIT Bombay. Especially getting grades at IIT Bombay is easier compared to getting grades at IISc. But anyway, you will get the same kinds of jobs. So almost the similar companies visit. And yeah, so both the colleges are having good placements, right? Equal. So coming to placements, there is difference is not too much, okay? But learning curve, if you look at it, that is different. Here you will be learning something different, and there you will be learning something different, okay? So I'll make a detailed video about it, okay? And yeah, and the next one that I wanted to ask you is, how did you motivate yourself? Because when you are only doing one thing throughout the year, it actually becomes frustrating at times, and people become very stressful, feel the pressure, and also there is that fear of failure, that doubt is always there in the mind. And all these things generally break many people, and they tend to give up and choose an easier path. And sticking to this path for a long time is not easy for everyone, right? How did you motivate yourself to stay on track? What was your reason to do this?
Sir, if, even while doing the preparation, there was time when I was not able to focus in my studies. I did not want to study at all. So what I used to do was that I used to take 1 or 2 days break, and I did not study anything in that time. And I usually go to, outside and play something or watch some movies, and not even a bit of study I used to do in that 1 2 days. So after that, when I restart my studies, there was a kind of fresh energy in me. So that is what that kept me going for about 10 months.
That's amazing, man. So uh, now you have a lot of time. So you are actually not working, and your gate exam is over, and you are going to join in August. And this year also, I'm not sure if IIT Bombay will call you for a classroom, studying. Maybe the classes will be online. You have a lot of time at hand. So how are you planning to enjoy that? So did you talk to your parents? Actually, I didn't ask you. So did you talk to your parents about your rank and how are they feeling?
Yes, sir, they are quite amazed. They are very happy about the rank, and they are quite relieved that I got a good rank, because obviously they were also quite stressful that I left my job and I'm preparing for an exam. So since I got a good rank, so they are also quite happy about it, and they are quite relieved actually.
So
And for the
were you a topper in your college?
sir, I was among the top 10 students, not the topper, among the top 10.
Great. Great. So do you think that talent matters in gate preparation, or do you think that hard work matters?
So definitely hard work. Like talent is something that if you, like, as you have said always, like if hard works beat talent if talent does not work hard. So I think the same thing applies in life also. Like if you are not working hard, then you are not going to get anywhere. It doesn't matter if you are talented or not. So hard work is the most important thing. Like talent supports you, but if you're not doing hard work, then you are not going to get anywhere.
Got it. Got it. Great, man. So somehow you have taken a decision, and at the end you made sure that it is a good decision, right?
Yes.
That is really tough to leave a job and take the decision. And in your case, you have even done something which is impossible. Being an electrical student, leaving a job, and then preparing for GATE computer science is really something that requires a lot of confidence in
Sir,
yourself.
actually, I was always Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I was always interested in computer science, but in my BTech, I was not able to take computer science because of my rank was not that good in my JEE Mains. So I decided to go for masters in computer science. So that was also a motivating factor because my interest was there in computer science for quite some time. So that also motivated me in this preparation.
So there are many students like you from civil electrical also. So you might have heard about Himadri. So
Yes,
maybe I have made a video, right? So he's
yes,
also
sir.
like he too left the job, and he too prepared for GATE computer science, being from electrical, right? And now he has completed his masters from IIT Bombay actually, and I
Yes,
think
sir.
he's working in Samsung or some company. I think Samsung. Yeah. So great, man. One more thing I want to tell you is we have a program called Iconic in Unacademy, where if a student registers for that course, we are also going to provide him with a mentor. And this mentor is a kind of guide who is going to be with him for the entire year, and he is going to tell him how to prepare, how to take the test series, how to evaluate test series, how to improve on test series, and all these things, right? So basically they'll be motivating. Maybe you might have seen it that while preparation, you might have felt that you were alone and there should have been some guidance. Now we are providing that one-to-one guidance for students in the Iconic program, and we are looking for mentors like you. So if you have time and if you have that inclination towards helping students, you can be a mentor, and in fact you'll also be paid a handsome amount, right? Not a very small amount, so it will be a very good amount, and you can be a mentor, right? So keeping the payment aside, you will actually love this journey of guiding students one-on-one, right? If you are interested and if you have time, yeah, obviously you'll have time. If you are interested, you let me know. Yeah, from now on, that is what I'm saying. See, if you take GATE and if you take GATE seriously, this will be the last exam that you will be writing seriously. And all the other exams are just to tick that attendance. Now your MTech exams are just going to be like a normal exam just to get the degree. And they'll be very easy, right? So now from now on, you don't have to actually do anything so seriously that you did like in GATE. Everything will be a cakewalk, right? So yeah, that is why I'm saying that you'll be having time, right? So that is why you are laughing. Huh? Actually, there'll be time. Okay, don't worry. From now on, there'll be a lot of time. Okay, it is up to you to how to use it. And in case if you want to teach on my YouTube channel, you are welcome. And in case if you want to motivate the students and guide them, you are welcome. So in any role, if you want to help our students, we'll be very happy to take you. Okay. So thank you, man. Thanks a lot. And once again, congratulations. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
party now. Okay. Celebrate it. Celebrate
Yes,
it. This is definitely a reason to celebrate, right? And I can see that you are very happy. That is clearly shown on your face. Okay. Okay, man. So see you again on some other video very soon. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Hi, most of you already know me, but if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Ravindra Babu Raula and I'll be teaching all computer science subjects, okay, especially GATE subjects, and I'll be teaching all these subjects on Unacademy platform from now on. And if you want my classes, you can register them on Unacademy platform, okay. So there are two types of registrations available. One is called as Iconic and the other one is called as Plus. So in Plus you are going to get all the video lectures as well as doubt clearing sessions, right? Along with that you are going to get the test series also with video solutions. Now if you want one-on-one guidance, if you want a mentor, then you can go for Iconic. In Iconic, a mentor will be assigned to you and you can actually talk to him continuously throughout your preparation, and he will see that you are on track. So he will do the activities like giving you the schedule for the preparation, and he will also analyze your test series results, and he will tell you what are the topics that you should focus on. And basically it is a kind of hand holding, right? Either you can go for Plus or you can go for Iconic. Now if you are going for Plus, download the Unacademy app, and in the Unacademy app, when you pay the fee, you have to enter a code, and if you enter the code RRCS, you are going to get 10% discount on your fee, okay. So if you use RRCS, you will get 10% discount, right? And after 10% discount for 1 year, you will be paying 27,000, okay. And if you are in third year and if you want to go for 2-year course, you can go for 2-year subscription, and the 2-year subscription is 39,000. Instead of taking 2 1-year course subscriptions, you can take 2-year subscription and it is cheaper, okay. 39,000 is the fee. And similarly, if you want to go for Iconic, right, for 1 year the Iconic course is 45,000, but remember to use the code RRCS, then only you are going to get 10% discount, okay. And with 10% discount, the fee is going to be 45,000. And with 2-year course, if you want to go with 2-year course, then the fee is going to be 66,000 for Iconic, okay. So you can just download Unacademy app. Even if you don't want to pay the fee, there are a lot of free content available. Okay, so there are a lot of free videos available, and along with the videos there are a lot of quizzes also available which are for free. Okay, so if you just want to see how the platform is, download Unacademy app, use the code RRCS, and you will be able to unlock all the free content. Without the code you will not be able to unlock it. Got it? And if you like it, you can go for the subscription. Got it? And you can follow me on the app. So if you want to follow me on the app, this is my link, and this is my link. And even if you search for my name, Ravindra Babu Ravula, you will be able to see my profile and you can follow me. Then you will get updates about what are the classes I take, what are the free classes, and what are the paid classes. Everything you will get. Okay. And this is the link for GATE. Okay. Now, when you actually register for the GATE course on Unacademy, you have to select GATE ESE as the category. So they will be asking you what is the goal that you want to achieve. You have to write GATE ESE. Okay, so it is very simple. So you will just figure it out. Okay, it is very intuitive. Download the app and just try to play with it. Okay, thank you.